Alright, hey, how you doing? This is Kevin again. Today we'll be working on a 6.6 liter Duramax diesel. Now, what I had to do is a water pump because the customer was complaining about a overheating issue. So first attempt at trying to fix it, I went ahead and did a thermostat and radiator flush. Radiator thermostats, there's two of them. You gotta take all the air box off and all that good stuff. And my first guess right here was the water pump. It's where they normally are, right behind the clutch fan. But it's not. Let me see if I can get you a good picture where it's at. There's a little cover right here. Take off these two bolts. Take that line completely off. So if you try to bend it or pull this line right here, well, I had a problem today with that, so I went ahead and just cut it off, got a new one. So take these two bolts off. There's two of them right here. Sorry about the lighting. I'm trying to get this video done kind of quick today due to forecast issues with the rain. But anyways, you gotta take these two bolts off. That drains the coolant and all that stuff. Make sure all that's out of the system. Now this is an idler pulley. Go ahead and pop that off. There's 5 bolts, 3 on this side, there's 2 studs. There's 1 stud here, 1 stud over here. Underneath, you can barely see it. But there's 5 bolts total. Take them off, pop that out of your way. And then there's a bolt right behind here. It goes to the water pump housing. Pull that out, pull it all out. And then bottom radiator hose, of course. Make sure all that's out of the way. And there's a hose that runs behind it. I was able to get a 12mm wrench, ratcheting wrench, of course, to make it easier. And there's 2 bolts behind here. Let's see if I can get you a better picture. I went ahead and took the inner fender out so I can get a nice view of it. But let's see, where's that? Right there. There's a, sorry about the shakiness. Right there's the hose. Goes to the back of the water pump. It's actually a metal tube. Make sure you put the gasket on there when you put a new one in. There's one on this side and then there's one towards the bottom of it down there. Once you take those 2 off, should pop out of place. Now let's see if I can find the old water pump, show you what it looks like. Just, you know, out of curiosity what they do look like. Make sure you're getting the right one. Something like that. Now this one is bad because you can feel it when it, you know, you spin it. But of course it's a 6.6 liter Duramax. Now another thing I had an issue with, we had to take the harmonic balancer off. It's a 36mm 12-point socket. Get down there and you have to have somebody either hold the flywheel or get a specialty tool for the flywheel. And I went ahead and got somebody to help me, my buddy Josh, and he went down there and hold it with a pry bar so we can take it off. And again, this is 6.6 liter Duramax diesel. Like, share, comment, whatever you feel, and take it easy.